NASA Human Research Program have organized a large-scale international isolation project named Sirius. The international crew of 3 men and 3 women included 3 Russians, 2 citizens of the United States, and the United Arab Emirates representative. The crew members were assigned the roles of a mission commander, a flight engineer, a flight physician, and 3 researchers. The program consisted of 89 experiments, one of them being the bread experiment. The experiment was proposed by the non-commercial organization, the Planet Mars Baking Society, represented by the president, Serge Ameye, together with the Puratos Group company that produced a wide range of ingredients for bakery, confectionery, and chocolate industries.
When it comes to long-duration human spaceflight, it's very possible that the supply chain of food from Earth could be disrupted. And so it was decided that humans that are participating in the long-term mission need to have a means to produce their own food on board. Bread was decided to be the ideal product to produce. And that's because it gives astronauts the necessary nutritional content that they need, but also it's a very acceptable food to almost all cultures worldwide. And so here in Sirius 21, which is an 8-month mission where 5 crew members are living and working in an isolated and confined environment, we are testing out 4 different varieties of bread that could potentially be used for future long-duration lunar and Mars missions. So let's see what we have created after these 6 hours. Oh, wow. This looks amazing. I am just so excited to taste this. I mean, look at this color. It's such a gorgeous light brown tan color. This is absolutely perfect. Oh yeah, the scent is just so good. It's, you know, that feeling or that scent that you have when you walk into a bakery first thing in the morning when they're baking all of their fresh breads for the day. That's exactly what this smells like. So let me start with the crust here. Perfect, and nice and flaky as well. It's just such a rich, full flavor. So let me take a piece here. You can see it's nice and fluffy, bounces right back in shape. Absolutely perfect. So I am just beyond excited to have a freshly produced bread here in isolation and confinement, and I know that something like this will be very useful for long duration human spaceflight and something that'll be very appreciated. So yes, this is absolutely fantastic, and I'm so excited to have this here as part of our Sirius 21 mission.